This guy right here is responsible for the lead times.
Good morning. So sister put a task on my family personal calendar that I have to do a day in the life of, and I've been putting it off for a while, so now my wife is getting on to me. So it's a little after 4, headed to the main shop to get the day started. Then I'll run over and check the welders out at our new shop, see what's going on, and get through this day, I hope. Right here is why I wake up in the morning. This right here. And that's the reason I have to do things like this. That's sister. Hey, sister.
Hey.
So I have a sister, I have a sis, is Jake's wife, and then I have a sissy, my oldest daughter. But she got with my wife and put on my calendar what to do for her. So here I am. My day starts with her. Got our Mono 12K rolling this morning. Cutting some double shears. I would show you a few things, but we kind of got it figured out. There's some people out there that are still in the baby stage. So don't want to give away all the trade secrets. So on to lunch, which I'm going to skip today. I'm meeting my son for his hitting lessons. He is probably going to forgo his going to college, probably projected to be a top 25 draft pick. He is my retirement plan, and he is 6. Hey look, our customer service is in the United States. Unlike FedEx, they suck. By the way, if you didn't know, I'm Brian Hester. I'm
Bond. James Bond.
The welding manager over welding fabrication, laser press brake. Best thing about Monday mornings is Sunday nights. We usually don't have anybody here, so it's kind of quiet getting the day started. And I get to see my daily reminder that if I can love him, I can love anybody. More stuff with Tyler. So y'all might know Elijah. Y'all seen videos of being stupid, dressed up, being ignorant. He's one of my lead welders. And somewhere, there's the other one. But anyway, I rely on these two, Austin and Elijah, to handle the day-to-day stuff here at the new shop. We got Martin Cleary out here doing donuts in the parking lot. But anyway, he handles the day-to-day. He's working on some HT11 kits. They're trying to get these orders out. But this guy right here is responsible for the lead times. No, just kidding. We're working as hard as we can to get them out. And that right there is the reason I have to miss him so much. I did it. I did a thing. I finished my day in the life. Now I get to go home. Yay, me!
I'm so proud of you.
I love this girl. She makes our days bright.
Yeah.
But thank y'all, CA family. We appreciate all the business and keep it up. Keep our Jakes busy. What you doing?
Nothing.
So when my CA day ends, this is where my next day begins.
I know you think that you know me.
On our farm, and we have 2 baby foxes out here. Katie is taking some pictures of. Then I'm going to go get a goat's head unhung because they're stupid, but they taste good. See, stupid goat. Got 100 and something acres to eat, but it wants to stick its head right there. Dumb, but they really do taste good. So that truly summarizes a day in the life of me. Get up early, I go to CA, I work with my work family, which I truly love. Then I get to sometimes spend a lunch break with my boy or my wife, and come home to this beautiful farm and take care of these stupid animals. Y'all have a wonderful day.